Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is February 6, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. We had pretty light volume today. Just S&P 500 traded 52 million today. So pretty light volume. Seems like no one is interested in the market anymore. So market just had a very choppy day. Semiconductors sold off while the other sectors like gold miners and also healthcare, they did pretty well actually today. So we will get into those ones in a bit. But S&P 500 had a positive day as well. So not a bad session for S&P, but Nasdaq just on negative territory right now. It's just forming a nice bullish consolidation. I don't know if this is gonna be just a distribution to the downside or another rip to the upside. I should say again, February and March would be very choppy. Even if we have another rip to 5,000 area, I would say everyone needs to be careful because we are seeing very obvious divergence between these three tops here. If you just look at the price here, so this is MACD, and as you see here, we had pretty nice divergence between these tops, and MACD is just going down. So momentum is down, and also in RSI as well, you will see that between these two tops and even these here. So there is a minor divergence between last two tops here and this one as well. So RSI, MACD, everything shows momentum is shifting to the downside. The market doesn't have enough power to rip to the upside. Even if it goes higher, means that that's going to be the final stage before the next sell-off is coming. So I would say the next sell-off is going to be in February, March. Very interesting scenario for buying opportunities. So let's keep your cash on the side, see how market is going to do. As I said, 4,700 is going to be your benchmark. If you get below this area is going to be a good possible buying opportunity. Right now, we just for the first tranche, we should see 48. So this is going to be your level to watch. All right. And moving on to Nasdaq, which was negative today. So Nasdaq was choppy. Not a bad session for Nasdaq because it was not crazy sell-off, but semiconductors actually sold off sharply. So Nasdaq goes down. Actually, it was down here, even challenging yesterday low, but coming back up. Right now, it's just forming a bullish consolidation here. I don't know if it's going to be green candle today or not, but this week we should see some kind of like a bullish consolidation before next week. Next week, February 13, is going to be a CPI announcement. This is going to be very interesting. If you see another CPI higher than expectation, then market is going to just disappointing for the rate cut, and rate cut would be probably going even all the way to September. So that would be kind of like a bad news for market. And right now we just give the market benefit of that for this momentum, but this momentum can be fade out sooner than later. If you just ask me again, February, March could be very volatile months, as I think market will have a choppiness down the road. Moving on to Dow Jones. Dow had a positive day today. Financials, energy, they did well. So Dow Jones just hiking up a bit, still below this wide range bar here. So I should say Dow probably just hit the top here. And we are just forming a choppiness here to the downside. However, tomorrow we will have lots of Dow component I should say, yes, CVS. We have CVS, we have Hilton. So Dow component earning is coming tomorrow. Uber is gonna coming tomorrow. Uber is not Dow component, but Alibaba, PayPal, and CVS, Hilton, they're gonna just announce their earning after and before market. So just be careful about these things. I should say CVS can have like a good earning, as this stock recently just smashed the downside. So let me just pull out the chart of the CVS, and I'm gonna show you exactly why I'm saying this, because this is absolutely hammered, and now this is monthly chart. So CVS recently going down just in December, That pop here, again, coming down for back test. So this stock doesn't have a good chart here, but I should say this is going to be a good buying opportunity. Again, tomorrow earning could give us kind of like a pop. This is a weekly chart as well. So as you see here, we got back into this wide range bar and we are going to test this middle of this wide range bar. So for the first time after this sell-off, we got close above SMA 20 and 50. And also bull reversal is about to initiate in prior earnings. So we will see. So if this week goes higher, I should say next um, next bullish momentum is coming and next higher high is coming. So 84 to 90 is coming down the road. So we will see how it goes with that one. Moving on to gold, which was positive today, interestingly. So gold just 2 days off and then coming back up again. So defended this dynamic trend line here, and we are just getting above again 2035. We got below 2040. We didn't get close, weekly close above 2040. But right now we are just coming down again. We should just challenge this area as like a triangle. I should say the more compression is going to be the aggressive, volatile breakout to the upside. That's what I believe gold is coming down the road. So CPI can be kind of like a beneficiary of that one. So gold, if CPI strengthen dollar, so gold is going to go down. But I should say gold is kind of like coming into the fear trade as well. You should take that one. Moving on to crude, as remember we talked about yesterday, we talked about this bullish or dragonfly doji, and we got into bull reversal here. This is pretty nice area for crude if we see some kind of like a bullish action coming down the road, and we can just going higher as well. So 60 to 60, 80 to 82, that could be kind of like a potential scenario for a next move, which is coming exactly to this supply area, which is going to be daily supply area. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to, I should say, yeah, I covered crude as well. Moving on to individual names, so starting with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had a kind of like a positive day, not a bad session. Still bullish consolidation. This is a nice bullish consolidation here, and Bitcoin can rip up to the upside 46. Again, if it goes down here 34 to 37, that's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for the next bull run. So I'm just waiting for this one to come. Moving on to yield. Yield had a downtick today. So after 2 days surge to the upside, yield is coming down. It can go to fill this gap for the next bullish run. Next week CPI can just be a very, very nice spike for the yield. TLT Treasury coming back up. Yield is down. Inverse correlation with TLT. So TLT went up. I should say TLT 95 could be a strong resistance here, as this is going to be a gap filling, and then it can go down all the way to 86 to 89. VIX 61 cents down today. VIX is coming down. So still higher high, higher low, and we are just getting another potential higher low. Dixie coming up today, and then coming down today. So after yield is down, treasury is up, so gold is down, Dixie is down. So market is pretty nicely talking to each other. So that's pretty nice. So we saw that one in the market. Moving on to Microsoft. This is Magma Index, and Magma is coming down. This is our technology, and second day in a row that we got a bear reversal here. Apple, positive day. Even after hours, it goes higher. Apple actually just hold up pretty nice this bottom here. So if it goes back here for testing, I should say 178 is going to be over, and then we should see some kind of like a volatile price action going to 162 to 166. That would be great area for buy, I should say. Amazon, just a bearish harami here, or doji coming down after hours as well. Meta coming down after hours. This is second consecutive day after earnings coming down. Microsoft 16 cents down. Google 42 cents up. Not a bad session. Netflix $6.18 down, and Tesla $4.04 up. So Tesla, good surge. 2% up today, so not a bad session at all for Tesla. As I said, this level is going to be interesting. Everyone needs to pay attention on this because 178 to 180 or 170 to 180, that could be kind of like an interesting level to buy. Moving on to SMH, which is semiconductor index, coming down sharply today, even after hours. It went lower as well. So stocks, the same pattern. I believe these ones actually are overdue for corrective move, and this correction can be spiky. Taiwan Semiconductor, this one goes higher high and then coming back down after hours. Look at the after hours price, like it goes even just pretty close to yesterday close. AMD 3.64% down, second consecutive day to the downside. If it goes below $160, AMD can go easily to 150, 148. Nvidia $11 goes down after hours. It goes lower as well. So if it goes below 600, Nvidia can go easily go again down to I should say this top. So which is going to be interesting. Nvidia is parabolically moving higher. So this 500, 502, that's going to be the level for test. And this is kind of like a free fall to the downside. Texas Instrument, 53 cents down as well. Lamb Research, $16.70 down as well. XLF, which is Financial Spider, this one 8 cents up. KBE, 30 cents down. KRE, this one is coming down as well. So it seems like financials are in trouble. And I should say when financial is getting to the trouble, the next one is going to be technology. Just be careful of this one because financial signal for downside move is coming. So when financial is strong, there's nothing wrong with market. It's like a semiconductors, and they have kind of like a correlation nicely with yield, treasury, and a gold market as well. So when financial is signaling for the sell, just to be careful because market can go to the sell-off afterwards. JP Morgan still holding up for now. This is one of the best, actually, is if it is not the best. So JP Morgan nicely 60 cents up. Goldman Sachs $1.97 up, forming a bullish consolidation here. Bank of America 5 cents up. This one just a wick. As you see here, there's enough divergence in the market. Wells Fargo 40 cents down today. So this one can take out this pivotal point, can go all the way 44 to $40. Moving on to the gold miners, GDX. Nice move to the upside, still forming up this bottoming formation here. And the GDX can hold up this 27 for now. This is positive. GDXJ, 62 cents up. Good reversal here after this night divergence. AEM, Agnico Eagle, 31 cents up today. And Newmont, 30 cents up. Newmont is weak. And Franco-Nevada, $1.61 up. After hours, it goes lower. So it's interesting. Goldberg going down as well. Moving on to energy, which is last sector. Energy was up today 27 cents for XLE, which is energy spider. XOP, kind of like a going up, following up with crude, 99 cents up. OH, nice move to the upside. So this is kind of like forming a double bottom here, I should say. And this is pretty nice double bottom. If we get above this 308, 310, then it can increase to the upside. A bigger portion is going to be 320 to 324. So we will see if it goes above here to all the way up there. So it's going to be good, actually, risk to reward here if you want to just put your stop loss here, because this pattern is pretty nice. So I should say OH is forming some kind of like a bottoming formation here. Moving on to Exxon, nice pattern here as well. So Exxon, if it goes above 104, 108 is coming down the road. And Chevron, after earning last week, it's just holding up for now. So 152, 35 to 152, 38. Right now, it's just holding there as well. So I believe I covered everything. If you like this one, please just smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.